common research station for 60s and go down. That's more common for 50s installs. Basement. What's very interesting is this was originally a set of 2 elevators, but for some reason they decided to remove the right elevator at some point, which is completely original. Basement, go to 8. Real close when you press the button, you're gone. It's also a very loud generator and motor. Whoa. I think that's something to do with the traveling cable, maybe. You're 8. That's loud. Go back down to 1. Here's your COP, original 60s Westinghouse COP certificate. Basic fake wood frame cab, railings are high up. Well, this building's not even maybe accessible, so it doesn't matter. Escape hatch, something right there. Completely original as far as I know. Not sure why they removed the other elevator. Maybe because this is not busy.